We be on this side, we be on this side. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we be on this
Nick,
side.
you're stupid.
We be on this side. Yeah, yeah.
Love you, Taka.
Internet money, bitch. On this side. Yeah, we be on this side. We be on this side. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. Bitches, they be flocking to the left side. And all the birds, they be flocking to the bread right. If it don't work first, do it 10 times. Before you see that green light, you see that red light. I can text them, yeah, I won't text send. And I don't love a thought, yeah, that's what text said. All these dollar bills, turn them to my best friend. If I send them shooters, let them know who sent them, yeah. Whoa, yeah. On the real, really had to be real with ya. Whoa, yeah. On the real, she don't even need no filter. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you.
In my penthouse, I've been vibing on the west side. Always baked, it took a while to get my bread right. You might think she average, but shorty my type. Her body started looking better cause the hair right. I know I'm from the 6, but I'm from the west end. And I can hit your girl and she gon' bring her best friend. Tryna stay low key, my boys be bringing packs in. I don't got a front, they know I get the back end. On the real, I just had to be real with you. I just bought the beat and I'ma speak with no filter. You ain't trust my vision, now you cropped out the picture. Pay for all your cases like I did that shit with you. I don't got no filter, I'm never coming to get you. If you just kept it real, I would be counting up with you. I'm a one-man army and I see hate on my radar. Ready for the smoke, I keep an AK for AR. Smoking weed all day, I'm kicked up watching the playoffs. Cause I'm still making money when I'm taking the day off.
How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. If you bout to slice, I would caution. Shorty hit me, said she need a ride to the function. I can never do you wrong, never sorry. Slid with the gang, we took your hoes from the party. Gold on my paddock with my new ride. Foreigns in the garage, all my hoes say hola. Rose gold on my paddock with my new ride. She like to heat it up. I say baby cool out, we don't got no room for that. Oh, I just made the room for the opportunity. Gotta get in tune with my moves. I can show you who you really was supposed to be. Diamonds on my way, diamonds on my baby. Yeah, you talking, he get hate. Yeah. I move very shady and I do not get no shits. Yeah. She won't give me top, make her pay me for a lick. She gon' pay me like a trick. There's some real big choices, I'm the one that's gon' decide. They talking shit to me, that's why every song is a reply.
Why is everyone saying
with the number 9, I'ma fly down. You can't put your city on, how you put me on.
We're just in the
Told them
range.
I already won. I don't wife a bitch till I'm 31. Told me that she want a song, we already done. See me in my zone already gone.
That's good to hear. That's good to hear.
If you bout to slice, I would caution. Shorty hit me, said she need a ride to the function. I can never do you wrong, never sorry.
What up, Andre? All right. All right.
Shit, morning.
Morning, brother.
It's a good day, brother. It's a good day.
Why is it a good day? Because Jesus gonna pop off with the hourly candle. Is that why you're saying that?
I just feel good vibes.
Nah, I feel good vibes too. But this Juju candle here looking good. I was looking at this a bit earlier into the day, just now actually. But before I get too excited, should you make it a music day today?
It's not a bad idea.
It's not a bad idea, right? Just play some little tech, you know. I'm vibing to this right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, chat. So what do you have today? You have OPEC meetings, OPEC JMC meetings all day. ADP non-employment change. Interesting. They're expecting, that's at 8:15. Okay, cool. They're expecting good numbers. 640k over 330k, which is better than last month's. So they're expecting good numbers as well. So let's see how it goes. But if that's the case, then gold should tend to continue down. Again, you never know, and you know what's happening with news. Anything can happen. Yeah, we do have that. So be cautious of that if you're trading gold or any USD pair today. Okay, so starting off with the weekly on GJ. GJ for the weekly is bullish, of course. Same analysis we had since Sunday. Daily time frame is bullish as well. It looks like it wants to just drive up here towards 152.028. Daily has no bottom wick. I'm fine with it since it's a daily candle, so we're gonna be able to see price come down to give us a bottom wick. If it does actually do that on a small time frame, wouldn't be too worried about that. The daily is bullish. The daily closed above the most recent the 4 hours bullish. Sorry, not the daily. The 4 hours bullish. It closed above the most recent resistance. Right around here, so therefore price should continue up now towards the next resistance, and the next resistance is going to be up here at like the 152.400 mark. So I want to say, as long as you respect the first 4 hour low, we should continue up. Look at this 4 hour candle though. This 4 hour candle has no top wick here, and we're about to reflip bullish here after creating a bottom wick. So I believe with the reflipping bullish, you could actually anticipate this 4 hour candle to drive up all the way in this current 4 hour candle, which you have about 2 hours in left. So I believe right now what we're in right now is we're in this range here. So if you guys can't see, you have a support right here, and then you have a resistance up here. So we're in a range from here from here to here. So the range going up here is around, I want to say, a 12-11 pip range. What I want though is I want a 1 hour closure here, because if this is your support here to the left here, if this is your support 151.696, if you get a closure at support, a bullish candle closure, it just indicates that price has found support within this range here, and since you're at support, you can expect price to continue back up to retest the highs. So same exact thing that happened yesterday on GJ off the hourly time frame as well, that we broke down yesterday, is the same thing we're looking at right like today as well. The onion play going up. This is a perfect setup for me. But I just need a candle to close first in 16 minutes to see if we'll get entries in or not. But the next pair you have here is gold. So what gold is trying to do right now is gold's bullish. For me, the weeklies for me is bullish. I'm expecting price to continue up towards 1877. Even though we had sells yesterday, which we called out, still expecting price to continue up. The day time from yesterday actually closed bullish as well. So the day yesterday closed bullish at the support in this range here. So you can actually expect price to continue up today towards the top of the range. But it's a very small range. Again, like we're still in this range regardless of where we are today. We need a closure outside or below, hopefully today, so we can get a bigger push tomorrow or the day after. But the earlier the better this week, because we're coming close to the end of the week. But yeah, I'm bullish, so if I'm looking for buys, I want to see if we could probably get buys. Let's see. You have a support right here at 1810. Then you have resistance up here. So I guess this is your range here. I guess if you break above here, you have this low piece right here to catch. It's a 24 pip range going up, but you probably want a closure above that area there. above like this resistance there. Like so. Alright, chat. So above 1813 is probably what you want. It's a small range. If you want to avoid the whole entire range, which I probably am, not gonna lie to you guys, then above 1817 would be buys for me until the next resistance, which is at 1821. So right here, off of that resistance to the left. Because if you look left here, this is clean traffic driving price up for the range, and if you break above here, this is clean traffic driving price up towards that resistance. So both will be clean, but I believe GG looks a lot cleaner today for me. It's a lot cleaner. There's more ranges to continue up, and everything kind of makes a lot more sense on GJ. Whereas today you have news as well, which kind of messes your analysis up on gold. I got some good pips today on GJ from 500 to 700. Nice. 20 pips. 20 pips. I'm a noob at Forex. Help me. Get the right place, man. You heard ask 3 questions. Buys above 1817. Yeah. Above there, above 1813. Above 1813 is a bit messier, a bit choppier, but it is clean traffic until 1816. It's a 30-foot range, and then above 1817 is cleaner and bigger range. So it's up to you what you want to do. You have an option to wait for either or. Either one. I just got smoked on a 15-minute count. I closed above 813 on 8.3. I don't think I closed above the range here. I think there's a resistance that you had right here, and price is still struggling here. Right? I don't think I'll consider that a closure off a 30-minute time frame. The last 15 4 hour, doesn't the 4 hour count end in 2 hours and 15 minutes? 2 hour and yeah, 30 minutes. What do everybody? What up, Marcus Williams? What's going on, brother? How will you enter if the 1 hour closed bullish? If the 1 hour closed bullish, how would I enter? On GJ? Well, if we close bullish, I don't think I think we might not close bullish here unless we pulled yesterday. If you close bullish, then I look to enter off the next kind of opening after you get a bond wick being created for price to drive up. Just a simple entry. No break of the highs or anything, just because like we have a decent wick to fill before we actually break the high. So I want to be part of that wick fill first. Lost news today? Yeah, you have lost news today. Be careful. Be careful trading gold today. Watch gold still not break out that range of gold. What up, Andre?
What's goody?
What you doing? Or what you looking at?
I'm just looking at where the daily candle opened up on GJ. Just identifying some ranges. Just in case, like obviously we want this daily candle to close above 151, 380. Just because we haven't closed above there yet. So if we start to reject and create a bottom wick, then I'm just looking at where I would potentially take my sells. Probably not going to take sells until we break the previous 4 hour low, and that will be a range 2 breakout.
151 300.
Yep.
Unless you form that range in here, who knows?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I probably, even if we do form another range, I'll probably I won't go against the 4 hour bias.
Yeah, 4 can flip at any given point. We can get a fake here. That'd be perfect.
Fake out on the hourly, you'll take it, or will you wait for a 30-minute fake out?
Like a 30-minute and an hourly, like both. Like if you close below 151, the next 30-minute can closes bullish back inside the range. I'll take those buys.
I might stay out of those buys just because the hourly at that point will still be bullish, or excuse me, bearish. But if the hourly closes out of the range and then closes back in, then I'll take those.
I see. I'll be comfortable with 30-minute time frame. Good morning, fam. What up, Tyler? Yo, I'm playing this Nav. This not Nav album. This little tech album right now. Do my new record? You're right. Should I have should I have July and August episode or no? Chat. My record was really 8, 4, and 3. 8. 15 trades taken in August. We were 14 and 4. We took a lot more trades in July. And even July, we weren't counting break evens yet. So we probably took 20 plus trades in July. Not much you could have done in August. Now remove it. Remove it, just put the current record. September.
Crazy, it's September already.
I know. Crazy. It's almost December. Is that better? Just like that? And then trades taken, I gotta take this out. Trades taken. There you go. That's clean. Clean. Anything on gold previous monthly candle? Gold previous monthly candle. So, oh, I didn't break that down. I think we closed bullish, right? If I'm not, no, we closed bearish. Oof. Doji too. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, I'm still bullish for the month. Since we closed Doji here, so since we closed Doji, that just means that price didn't do much. It opened here and then it closed there. So, you can kind of just block out last month's candle like so. Why is my screen blinking like that? You can block out last month's candle like so, and say, you know what? As long as you respect the previous day candle lows down here, price should be able to drive up towards the next resistance up here at 1920, 1940. So, you would probably expect like this, something like this to occur here if the prices do continue up. So I'll still be bullish for the month, yeah. Which wouldn't affect the daily analysis or my weekly analysis or anything yet. But it is the first of the month today, so let's see what happens. I don't like the song, man. Hey man, I don't know what to tell you. Any view on gold previous monthly candle? Oh, I just read that. Will you be trading in December? Yeah, I would be trading in December. Oh, 1 hour's on closer bearish, maybe a fake out chat. Be careful of fake outs. Actually, if you're looking for sells today, be careful of sells below support here, because at any given point, prices just drive back into the range. Who said I wasn't trading in December? I might take a week off in December. Who knows? I don't know yet. I'm taking I guess a week off in October. End of October. So.
I'm sure we'll hold some sessions in the Discord trading group while you're gone.
Yeah, it'll be like 4 days though, because I'll be here for a Monday. Tuesday to Friday I won't be here. Imagine I just bring my MacBook, I stream there. Yo, chat, I can't miss a stream. I gotta do what I gotta do.
You still got a MacBook?
Nah, but I can just get one. Cause I haven't been traveling. Honestly, even if I had a MacBook at home, I wouldn't use it. I don't really go anywhere to do work. How long have you been trading? 3 years. Yeah, and chat, like what I mean by record is like my record for the stream. So like we do take off stream trades, which I didn't count, because why would I count those? I need pop out chat.
What kind of bullish closure are you looking for on GJ in order to take these buys?
Decent one, man. Decent one. Like I want to say, I mean, 4 minutes left, looking good. Kinda. Let's see, maybe. I want to say above 151,762. 761 above this resistance here. If you get a 15-minute closure above that, which is a 30-minute closure, 1 hour closure bullish, that'll be perfect.
Perfect. Same.
3 minutes left. We actually might get it, because this is very similar to yesterday where price looked like it wasn't going to close, and then I looked away. Next thing you know, it just closes above.
Pretty sure 1 hour stops are like
Small.
7 pips.
11. Oh yeah, where we are. Yeah,
Seven,
then
a 7 pip stop loss. Oh my god.
and then we'll anticipate this forward kind of flip bullish to continue out towards 152, 170. So we have runners today, maybe. Or we might just get a closure. Oh, we actually might get a closure here. Wow, lovely. So patience, chat. Patience. The onion play. Exclamation point onion. For those that don't know what the onion play is. Exclamation point onion. In the chat.
Don, would you ever let a higher time frame like the daily or weekly resistance hold you out of a trade?
Not really, because like there's a resistance in there, yeah, but you know how there's a wick usually on a weekly and daily that like we might not close above. Yeah, like price just literally goes up to anywhere weekly and monthly and still close below the end of the month. So that's why it wouldn't really bother me. Like, looking for like small positions there. This is looking good. Watch this miss the move.
Last 2 minutes? Yeah, I doubt it.
I mean, who knows?
If this 30-minute closes bearish, then I'm gonna stay out. Closes doji, I'll be cool.
Looking goody, chat. Looking goody. Let's see. Can we get a closure here? I want one above 151,760, but this hourly closure is just beautiful. It's a long couple minutes here. Look at that 4 hour too. With that 30-minute closing, well, sorry, 1 hour closing on support, you anticipate that the volume died off for sells off the previous candle, and then since now this candle is closing bullish, it's extra confirmation that we're a form of support for price to drive up to retest the highs. So kind of perfect here.
So waiting for a bottom wick and then enter on the flip.
Yeah. You know the vibe.
Vibes.
Original risk. So yeah, nice original risk trade. How do you deal with overthinking in trades with all that information out there? I guess like the more education you have for yourself, the more you just kind of follow and stay true to that plan. So like there's obviously tons of information out there that I haven't experienced yet or haven't, you know, touched upon yet, but it doesn't mean it's valid to me, or it doesn't mean that I'm gonna put that I'm gonna you know put that under my strategy. You know what I mean? I'm just looking for what I'm looking for every day, like what I've learned and what I've seen in the markets, not what someone else says. And yeah, that's a very
That ain't it for me.
1 hour close bullish though. I think the only way I'll enter here is if you get a nice wick being created. Like I'm talking about a nice wick here. Since like the 1530, it'll close above that resistance. If you get a nice wick, maybe coming down towards like here or something at 151,693 or 690. On the flip, that kind of look for buys going up, but by the looks of it, this might just be Chow Butler here. If it breaks this high here. Damn. How many hours did you look at charts? Maybe 2-3 hours a day. 4 maximum. Or you just join my stream, you know, and then maybe like a little Asian session analysis. I look at it every now and then, but I'm not like staring, and my eyes aren't glued to the chart 24/7. You know what I mean? Because the whole point of trading is for you to save more time in your actual life and work less, right? And people quit their jobs to trade FX, but they're still here looking at charts 24/7. And it's like, yo, what's really the point? Yeah, chat. We can get a nice bond work there. There's no interest for me right now, at least. However, if you get a nice wick being formed, we may get entry on the reflip of the break of the highs here. A 9-pip range going up here, but I need a nice bond wick in order for me to actually place those buy stops on gold on GJ here. It'll be above all highs. It'll be above 151,790. Andre, in case you were asking.
You gonna keep the same previous hourly lower wick as the stops?
Yes.
It's gonna be a 12 pip stop loss for a 9 pip target.
No, target's gonna be 152,177.
Ah, okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. That's my original target, anyways. A 9 pip advantage in that case. But again, chat, I need a nice bottom wick here. That's the only way I'll enter.
Damn, what's going on with these dislikes?
The bots.
Crazy.
I'm not looking at them. I don't know what they are.
I don't know what they are either. I just asked because someone said it.
How did you come up with the name Onion Play? The Onion Play? Onion Play. I think it was that. It was because like we're like organic. We consider ourselves organic traders since we didn't really do anything else except for look at a box and a line on our screen. Like we didn't have indicators. We didn't have any EMAs. Nothing. No fibs. So it was just pure organic with your eyes. And I guess like we named it after Starter Play, Onion Play, etc. So that's why. So they're people disliking you or they're bots? They're bots. But chat, is that really the focus right now, man? What's wrong with you guys? Getting an additional 30-minute below that support lowers our risk. 30-minute closure below that support. What do you mean? Lowers our risk, to be honest. Can you put that on YouTube? YouTube does automatically. Yesterday it just took the bottle after the stream ended. Oh, might get a 30-minute start play here. Oof. Stops are like 6 pips here, but previous count stops are 12 pips. TP is like wherever up there. Oh, the 30-minute start play is a break it off previous 1 hour highs as well here. Fashion, yeah, fashion fanatic, yeah. And you have a nice 4-bit range going up. What am I saying? You have a nice 4-bit range going up here. The Phil's range here, it's a 4-bit range. Man, if we only just, if we close like the 30 above that resistance, you know, like I would have been fine with entering on a break of the highs. But since we have such a small, like, sorry, since we closed bearish below it on a 30 or on a 1530, I would rather get a nice wick on a current candle to confirm that, you know, the 1 hour may actually continue up towards the top of the range, because this trade here is based off the hourly majority. I know the 30-minute 15 comes to play here, but the hourly is your time frame you're looking at. That's your golden time from here. Down bad. Our playing said onion very tasty. Yeah, man. Tasty. I love that word. Yeah, that's if you have both at the same time. You have you know, 30-minute starter play within a onion setup versus entry. Those combined are perfect combo. But obviously I think some to factor as well, which is why I'm very hesitant on taking those starter play buys here. I'd rather get a nice spot of wick here. This is very similar to yesterday, right, chat? Remember yesterday's trade? Let's go back to it. Check it out real quick. Let's go. The beginning of the stream, we broke it down. With the 1 hour, this 1 hour candle, right? 1 hour closes support, closes bullish support, high chance for price to drive up towards the next resistance on the next hourly candle. Like that was perfect. I almost said a 15 looked at the time, but I don't think I can see the 15. Oh no, I can. Right here, right? 6 a.m. yesterday. So 6 a.m. Oh yeah, price is closing bearish. Close bullish, and then we created, and then boom. Makes sense. Would you not be shorting it as oversold on a daily and 4 hour, man? Man, I don't look at oversold or overbought. We never did, and I probably never will. I used to before in the past, but it's not my training style anymore, brother. It's not what I do anymore. I'm not going around and just start doing it now all of a sudden, right? It's something I don't look towards. If you do it by all means, great for you. Sure it works, but for me, it just never worked out. Wow, man. I get an early position here. Let's see. This 15 closes in 6 minutes here. If we close bullish on the 15 before we actually break the highs off the hourly, I may consider it taking buys after breaking out 1 hour highs. But let's see what happens. What was the file as training size? I only trade a price value on IG. What do you mean? Price value on IG. File lot is $50 a pip. Yeah, it is. So you risk. I mean, obviously you want to have a decent account size in order to pop a 5 lot, right? You want to be able to risk like 1 or 2% per trade max, popping a 5 lot. Let's see. What's gold doing? At resistance here. At resistance with no type of closure above the range. Nothing here. Yeah, I think gold's not gonna move to news at 820 or 815, I believe. GJ has potential here, a lot of potential, but gold just does not. Four minutes left for a 15 closure here, chat. Can someone explain NFTs to me? I find it hard to believe people are paying thousands for a virtual picture. I think Marcos is we better at answering that question. But he's not in a call right now. However, I think NFTs, they'll be around forever. But like 98, 99, 95% of the projects you see right now on social media, or like the projects that are popping right now, wouldn't pop as much in the next 5-10 years or whatever has to come, just because it's like the same thing that happened in social media. Remember when social media first came out, or internet 2.0, web 2.0, you had all these for example MySpace, Tumblr, like stuff like that aren't around anymore. Right now what's around is Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, like Twitch. Like these are things that made it out, and I guess you gotta just find that in the NFT world, like what are the projects that are actually gonna make it out of the bubble that we're in right now. So I believe NFTs will be around forever. Like they'll be you'll probably see an NFT everywhere you go in the future. But keep in mind, some projects right now would definitely fail. So don't feel any type of FOMO if you're missing out on anything right now. There's plenty of more opportunities out there. What's the best research I can use research NFTs, man? Same thing as trading. You gotta dig deep into it. Find out ways, best ways to research, I guess. I don't know. I think Discord is cool. Joining like actual communities, engaging with people, asking questions about the projects, knowing like who's behind the projects, who's the owner, who's artists, what's their plan for the future, because every project has a plan. It comes down to how like, do you believe that their plan will actually pull through or not, right? So there's no real value in a product. It's a JPEG, bro. It's because it's a JPEG, right? It's just like a photo being created on Photoshop or whatever being formed. There's no actual value behind that, but there's value behind the community, I guess, that you join. The community, I guess. I think NFTs will die before 5 years from now. I think it's the same thing people said of the internet, man. I don't think it will die off. I think NFTs are here to live forever. Like the blockchain system, like everything just kind of makes perfect sense. But I do think 95% of projects will die. So like like even like some projects that are big right now that are worth like 4 Ethereum, 5 Ethereum, etc. Like some of the projects will eventually die off to zero, and then people say in 5 years, oh, those are NFT is dying. It's not dying. Those projects are dying, but the NFT alone, like the whole system of NFTs alone, those will be here still, which is what I believe. But yeah, you gotta do a lot of research to it, man. You gotta do a lot of research to it. Like it gets to a point where like there's gonna be like contracts, like everywhere you go, well, not everywhere you go, but some places you go, like for example, you go to the NBA game, you buy a LeBron NFT, whatever. LeBron goes and drops 100 points. The NFT is now worth more than it was before that game, you know. So man, where's man, that's this guy. Let's see, how does 15-minute closer close bullish above the range, right? Cool. So I think with the 15-minute closing above the range, we actually may get potential positions here. Perhaps. Let's see. We break it at 1 hour highs here. Wait, did the price come down create a decent deeper wick here? No, it didn't. So we break up the 1 hour highs here. You will be risking 6 pips or 11 pips. Depends on what your stop loss is. I think I'm comfortable with the 1 hour stops. 11 pip stop, and TP for me would be probably up here at 152, 177. So gonna have a running position, expecting price to continue up, but the 4 hour kind of flipping here. So we consider placing a buy stop right here. 151. Like I'm not sure what the high is on your broker. Whatever the high is on your broker is the highs of the previous 1 hour candle as well. Ah, he showed up. Ah, fresh cut. Fresh cut Marcos. What up, bro?
Hermano. You got buy stops?
Whoa, it just placed them as you came, but
I guess I have buy stops.
1 hour onion play, 15-minute closest bullish above that range, 30-minute starter play at the same given time. That's why I have it there. Pure candle stops, my stops though, not the current candle. Yo, they're asking you about they're asking me actually, like I explained it, but they're asking, someone's like, I believe in 5 years NFTs will die off. Honestly, NFTs will die off 5 years from now. It's just a money finesse.
Maybe. That'll be true. Guess we'll see. I'll be on a yacht.
I guess we'll never know.
I guess we'll never know.
I guess we'll never know.
I don't know if we're gonna live to see tomorrow. I got time to worry about
Who
5
fucking
years.
knows? Yeah. So guys, don't forget that it's super early NFT game. Remember that people said about cryptos is on die out. It makes no sense. I think same thing for social media, Web 2. Yo, what apps died out? Or for I was thinking, what apps died out for Web 2.0? The biggest apps that died out. Tumblr.
I don't know if Tumblr counts as Web 2.0. Like, not like it was obviously Web 2.0. I don't know if that counts as like early.
Oh,
You know what
like
I mean?
early.
Like I'm talking like AIM died, AOL died.
I don't remember any of these apps. I don't know any of these apps.
You don't know what AIM is?
No.
Making me feel old.
I don't know what that is. When did that come out?
MySpace.
Oh, MySpace. Was MySpace early though, or the late?
MySpace. That was my first social media. But they didn't really die. He just cashed out and probably bought an island or something.
That's the thing. People see like these apps dying. They're like, "Yo, it's like the social media web 2.0 is dead. It's not. It's just some projects are dying. Same thing with NFTs. Like some projects will die off, like strawberries, etc.
Most-
You know, like
most
cherries,
projects are
whatever. Like that's coming out today or tomorrow. That's why it's dying out. These current projects, because this is projects are coming out every day now. But you will have that 1 or 2% that will stay alive, and that's what you want to get into. That's what you're trying to figure out. What are those projects that are going to be around 5-10 years from now?
MSN. That's still a thing though, isn't it?
MSN is still a thing, I think. Yeah.
That's that thing that pops up whenever you get a new computer and you go on the internet and it just instantly goes to MSN. Yeah, here it is. That's like Microsoft. I hear it's messed up right now.
Devin Booker.
Curly though.
Yo, Andre. You weren't looking to have bosses as well, right? You're kind of staying out because that. Oh, you're mute. Because that 1530.
My bad, bro. Say it again.
You're looking to stay out the shirt, right? Because of that 1530.
Yeah, just based off the way the hour and the 30-minute close at the same time. I was looking for that 30 minutes to close doji or slightly bullish, and then I was cool taking the buys on the hourly.
Let's see. How about 30-minute start play?
30-minute seller play that happened on my broker on Nawanda, didn't it?
No. Well, did it? I mean, I guess it did. If you zoom in close.
I guess if you account for spreads, it didn't. But
no, it did.
yeah,
It
no,
definitely did.
Definitely did. Yeah, I like the 4 hour, man. Me and you are on the same boat with the 4 hour, but I just wanted everything to align. If this plays out and fills the range, which it will, I think if that 30-minute seller play happens, I'll have no FOMO.
We're getting a nice spawn wick now, though.
If this current 15 closes bearish, will you keep your buy stop?
Yeah, we'll be at 15-minute start play too. Yeah. Because sure is just heavily based off the hourly. Until we actually break the 1 hour lows, I'll still have them here, I think. Unless it's like the last 15 of the 4 hour can or the last 15 of the hourly candle or something. That's when I look to delete it. But until then, let's see.
After that hourly closed, I knew that I wasn't going to get a trade until
8
past
p.m.
8 a.m. because we got the 8:15 news.
Yeah. Don Jeff MSN? Nah.
Anyone else notice they changed the text on TradingView when you change your time interval?
No.
You change your time interval.
What do you
up
click?
there.
What do you click again? T?
No, I just click the number. I have the keyboard with the side numbers. Yeah, that little change interval thing. It's a different text and it's really bothering me.
That was pretty quick. It's like 15. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, no, it's the same thing that I normally do. It's just the text.
No, I'm saying
Different
I
fonts.
never done it. It's kind of quick. It's like 15. Boom. 4 hour.
You were drilling on me for a while for doing that.
You know
I
what?
thought,
This
no?
thing sucks. Actually, I don't want to do it no more. gotta stick to my word, you know.
That's the dot I know. Yes.
I think clicking this is a lot more efficient, you know, chat. Yo, chat, if you guys didn't know you can do that, you can actually do that. Go.
Does anyone here use Crypto Watch to look at cryptos? It's like a trading view platform just for crypto.
I use
I've never heard of it. Sounds familiar.
It's like the same thing as trading view, just for primarily just cryptos.
Mm.
And oh my god, it's so chalked compared to trading view. It's it reminds me of the trading view that you just cannot manipulate. I feel like trading view is pretty personalized. You can change a lot of different things, and Crypto Watch is you cannot change anything. I'm trying to get acclimated to it, and it's just it's tough.
I know a lot. FTX is the big one that a lot of people use for crypto trading, and they just plug in trade. They just plug in TradingView because TradingView you're not going to beat TradingView, you know.
So it's so nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Marcus, can you hear music right now or no?
Yeah.
Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm down bad. It's like a 2 out of 10.
Speaking of crypto, Don, look at Ethereum.
35.
35.
I saw 34 last night. I was like, this thing's touching 35, man. Look at that that
Weekly seller
weekly.
play.
Yeah. I was gonna
Flew.
say Ethereum's flying. I think was it yesterday when you told me that? You're like, when Ethereum flies, you told me,
Close
what if
outside the range
we run out
on
of Ethereum, but we can't run out of NFTs, right? Was it something like that?
What did you say?
You said something like there's a cap for Ethereum, but there's not a cap for NFT, or something like that along those words. How NFTs will be around even if Ethereum isn't.
Yeah, like NFTs don't rely on Ethereum, and that also they're not correlated. Like Ethereum going up isn't good for NFTs. NFTs are more healthy when Ethereum's in a range, NFTs do way better because then the dollar value is way easier to estimate. But if Ethereum's flying, NFT prices are going to be all over the place. So this next bull run will be interesting.
Look at that monthly, man. Monthly close above the range. We can go to whoever. Look at the monthly. This is the first closure since like the first initial push this year, back in May. Perfect closure on a monthly. Let's see. Don, these men are dislaying you. No one's dislaying me. I do what I want to do. I do like I'm not just like doing whatever just because someone else is saying whatever. I've barely touched upon NFTs. Like I haven't. You ask Marcos. I haven't even done my homework. Enough homework for me to actually jump into like an actual big project. So everyone has their own opinion at the end of the day, right? But it's always best to do your own homework at the end of the day. Your own homework, because same for signals. Like you it's cool to copy me all day for buys and sells, but do you actually understand why I'm taking the position, right, from start to finish?
I just read some shit in our Discord the other day. Got to give props to Marcos because if someone made like 45 bands in 3 months, I would let them lead me. I would be comfortable with that. Be like, yo, you obviously know what you're talking about, so lead me. I would actually want someone to lead me if they had like the track record. So shout out to Marcos W, bro. Good shit. It caught my attention when I read that in the Discord. So
Wait, what did I say?
you said that you made basically like 45, close to 50 in 3 months on a $1,200 investment, and this man said, Don, this man is misleading you. And my point to that is like, if someone made that much money in that amount of time, I would let them lead me. I would think that's leading by a good example. So that's a W in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, I said it in the chat. I was like, don't follow me. Not a mentor. Don't really know what I'm doing, but it works. So
yeah.
After I read that, I'm like starting to do my homework. That was the like initial push for me.
I still haven't done my homework like enough, at least.
I've given Don so much good financial advice that has played out, but he wants his 40 hours of homework.
Hey, at the end of the day, we all eat, chat.
You may get activated here.
Yeah. Marcos, you have these buy stops too?
Yeah.
Of course. He's the first thing he said when he hopped on stream. He's like, "Oh, you got buy stops? So do I."
Signal.
Oh, might be activated here, chat, very soon. Uh-oh. Wix not here? Wix is not here, right? I was gonna ask him. Did he get activated? For attention. Oh, damn, activated here, chat. I think I got activated. I didn't check. I got activated here. So I got in a buy position here. My boss got activated here with spreads. Got in a buy on a break these highs here, basically. And stop loss for me is going to be the previous 1 hour low, which is down here. And TP will be up here at 152, 177, or 36 pip range going up in this case. So let's see what it do. Looking good. We also got a 30-minute closure just now as well above that range too. So I guess that's an extra confirmation on top of that. Andre, did that add anything to you or not?
Yeah, definitely. I didn't. There was like a, I don't know, a pip of a bottom wick on the 30-minute. Yeah, one pip bottom wick. So I needed something a little bit bigger. Also, I was gonna enter in that 30. It looked good. Just the bottom wick wasn't it for me.
I'm probably gonna move stuff to break even around this here, the zeros here. Look to the left, there's a amount of resistance somewhere around here. So probably around like there, like 151.850. I look to move my stops to break even, making it a risk-free trade. But overall, my target's up here at 152, 154. Because with the forward kind of flipping, like same thing as yesterday with the day count flipping. Look left, we have clean traffic on the left-hand side on the 4-hour time frame until the next resistance, which is up here. So expecting that wick to get filled, this range to get filled going up as well with that closure above the range there. So that'll be perfect. But again, let's see what happens. Stop's only like 11 pips too. It's a very small stop. Marcos, if the Ethereum blockchain dies, the NFTs minted on it will also die.
I guess so. I guess we'll never know.
Damn. Oh, nice onion play going down though, but obviously we're not bearish. 1 hour started play, 30-minute came down.
If this 30-minute were to flip and break previous 30-minute lows, would you take any risk off the table or no?
No. Maybe if the 1 hour breaks the lows, like the current 1 hour lows.
I think that's the 30-minute previous.
Oh, it
30-minute
is?
lows.
Oh yeah, perfect.
I think so.
Yeah, maybe. Honestly, I just want to see where we kind of close here. Just 30-minute candle. I believe we should close bullish, but let's see. If we close bearish, I'll definitely close. For a close full, I'm not sure what I'll do, but you don't like the weekend, right?
Me?
Yeah.
You said I do or don't?
You don't, right?
No, I do.
What's your favorite album?
I don't think I have like a favorite album that I would listen to, but like all of his hits that are like mainstream popular, I fuck with. They're nice. He's got a good vibe. What's your favorite album?
Probably like be Starboy or Be Behind the Madness. Kissland's cool too. Trilogy's cool. All of them are cool. I don't really have a favorite.
I think I liked After Hours.
After Hours cool, yeah. Definitely got snuffed at the Grammys. This guy had album of the year basically, and they didn't nominate him. Not one song, right? If I'm not wrong. I believe that's what happened. You guys know like every time like the 15-minute flips or something, I go back to the 1 hour. I look at the 1 hour instead. You guys notice that I do that? 30-minute doesn't look clean. I go back on like the 1 hour.
What's your guess? You think Wix 9 is in this or no?
I think he is. I think he got activated before me though. I'm joking.
You got activated early, like always. Wix 9, what's the deal?
What's up, brother?
151,793.
151,793. Oh, nice.
Where'd you get activated?
8988, I think.
898. I got activated before you.
78.
Of course.
I don't got no Wi-Fi. I'm over here on a hotspot.
Did you move? Are you? No, you didn't move yet.
I got the movers outside, literally waiting for me to finish.
Finish trading.
I told them not till 10:30.
That's hilarious.
I think they went to get some breakfast or something.
Yo, what's your TP Wix?
My TP is I got a runner TP and pip TP. So my runner is 15.
15.
15215.
Oh, up here. 152, 15. Where I have it, basically. They're the same TP. That resistance on the 4 hour, right?
Yep.
Below, a little below it? Yeah.
I'm a little below just in case. If it doesn't get all the way there. I mean, I'll probably even close it at 30 pips. It's like 35, but if we get to 30, I'll probably start looking at closing.
Yeah. How could you have caught the London move? Which London move? Which one? Which one are you talking about? Or referring to? This one? Maybe this closure right here at the hourly at 2 a.m. if I was trading London. Whoa, actually there's a resistance there. I lied. Maybe this entry right here. Nope. Let's see. 151757. 15. How's it look? I don't know actually. I'm not sure. It's hard to say. It's hard to say. Like this one wasn't bad because it closed above the most recent resistance, right? For price to drive up. But other than that, that's about it. That's alright. We're making another move in New York. How are you interested in managing positions? I think I broke it down already. So in a winning position, I'll probably look to move stocks to break even at 151.840. In a losing position, I'll probably wait for its 30-minute candle to close there. And if it closes bearish below the range, I might consider closing half. Or sorry, no, the 1 hour candle. If it decides to close bearish in 21 minutes, I'll look to close half. But until then, the trade's still bad for me. I'm talking to FX, but I don't understand why to get a trade. I'll do a quick rapid breakdown. Weekly's bullish, daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish. Expecting this 4 hour candle to flip bullish as price create bottom wick. Never broke the previous 4 hour lows. Price to drive up to fill that wick to continue up. 1 hour close bullish at support. If this is a range, you have a support closing bullish. It means that price is at the bottom of the range. Price should continue up to retest the highs, which is up here at 151.879, which is my break-even point. 30-minute candle, you had a closure above the range plus the starter play at the same given time. 15-minute time frame was 15-minute closure above the range, so that's why I took the positions. Rapid breakdown.
Top down organic farm to table dinner is served. Boom. That was perfect.
Wait till
Oh.
the CP hits, and we're gonna have dessert.
Yes. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, 200?
Christian. What's up?
You in it?
Nah. I
Oh.
couldn't get in just because bottom wick on the 30. There's a pip.
You said push. I thought you were in it too.
Nah, I'm happy for you. This is a good trade. I think this is a great trade. You're about to hit break even here.
5 pips, man. I don't know about this.
No,
like
break even as
4
in you're
pips.
gonna move your stop loss to break even.
Let's
Now
see,
you're gonna
let's see.
hit break even and lose a trade.
4 pips.
Oh, I
It's
thought
barely
that's what you
Anthem,
meant.
but
No. I basically meant you're about to be risk free here. And
no,
then
yeah.
next
But I'm
pip
concerned.
in the
Like,
pool.
I think if we can just drive all the way up towards 151 without like even resisting here.
We can
Wait,
just,
let's
we
see.
can just hit 100 pips right now.
For 2021, what's your percentage of net profits came from gold versus GJ? I think 60% gold, 4% GJ was this year's net profit for both pairs.
That big runner, that was gold.
Gold, yep, gold. After FOMC. So chat, gonna move my stops to break even here, making this a risk-free trade. We have tapped that minor resistance right there. So not gonna go risk-free. Let's see what happens to the rest of the trade here. But again, since we're entering a break of the highs, we're in a weird area. It's not like we're entering a flip of the candle, so price may have a high chance to hit our breaks. Are you
It's
at break
only
even?
I'm at 4 pips profit.
I'm
I
at
don't know.
4. I'm at
Is that-
4 or 5 right now too. But
Is that break even?
I mean, yeah, I mean, there's a resistance there for me. I mean, it's like right next to this 9 pip range. So for me, yeah, I'll put break even.
I'm putting him 1 pip in profit just so I don't fucking lose commission.
This guy, bro.
Yeah, Marcus,
Guy's
you
penny.
break even?
5
Yeah,
pips,
I'm-
baby.
I've been break even for since 4 pips.
Oh shit.
He opened
I
the
don't-
trade
I
and
don't-
just
I don't
Oughta
play
be-
the games.
it's like I'm not losing none of this 42 racks. I'm not going below 40.
I
57.
don't want to say it, chat, but by the looks of it here. Oh, my bad. But by the looks of it here, man. This low wick right here looks like we're just gonna pull all the way back to our breaks.
Nah, we're Gucci.
Because look to the left. The reason why we did in the first was because there's a resistance here, and since it's starting to reject already, if we close below, we're not in a good position at all. Like we're not. Like what I mean by a good position is that it wouldn't be a good look for this trader because it might just hit break even. Trade still makes sense though.
Don't fucking listen to him, GJ.
Don't listen to GJ.
He doesn't know what he's talking about. Just go. Just fucking go.
How big was the range here? 9 pips? 7, 8 with spreads? Yeah.
It's like 5 pips to our break even.
How about the 1 hour open? 1 hour open was 1 hour open was 12
flipped,
pips.
I think with this 4-hour flip, as long as this 15 closes above like 820, we should be good. But we'll see.
I'm just ready punching a number for one break even trade in September. Still have the month.
Better than starting off the month with a loss.
I guess we'll never know.
Is it better to, isn't it better to entry for buys after it closes above 151.874? If you want to wait for the actual breakout, yeah, but we're in this range now. We closed bullish at support. I was anticipating price to come up to fill the range on this hourly candle. This is the exact hourly candle we drew earlier, so we can't just stuck to that same plan by entering off of the hourly candle closure. Where is it?
It's the ugliest 5-minute ever.
Let me know if it it's. I'm watching YouTube right now.
Come on, GJ. You can do it.
The manifest is for you guys. You guys are good.
Is
Just
it
gonna push here.
pushing up? Okay, there it go. Yeah, it might be good here. 5 minutes
Can you
left.
man-
Yeah,
I
I
need
close
you
the
to
button.
manifest a little harder.
this 15 is gonna close like right here. The new one's gonna create a little small
Oh,
nipple wick,
okay.
and then it's gonna push up. You guys
Okay.
are gonna survive.
Andre, it's gonna be a nice 5-pip bond wick. Just
Nah,
tap
no,
it,
no, no.
man.
It's gonna be teeny tiny.
Nah, yeah, it should be good here. The only thing we gotta worry about now is the bond wick being created. We don't know where it's gonna be yet. But if what Andre said, if it creates a little wick, then it's a Chabella price may just continue up.
You.
That's it right there. No further.
No further. New 50-minute bond wick.
You shall not pass.
It's gonna bounce right off that little support right there in the
4 hour
15.
flipped. I didn't see the 4 hour flip.
Okay.
4 hour flip. I just realized that 4 hour flip bullish. Now we got a wick to fill.
Said that shit like 5 times.
Really? It's okay. This is the first time I'm seeing it, so it's not a matter, Joe. As long as you see it for the first time, you know.
Someone said, if you need reassurance, check the 4 hour. It's true.
Checking with Marcos.
It's 15 if it flips for Gucci, but that bottom wick can go anywhere, all the way down to 770.
Yep. Here it breaks.
Don't
It
fucking
can go
go
down to wherever. The 1 hour can just pull all the way back and close bearish. Who knows? Because we did tap a resistance, chat. But this is what's taking advantage. It's called.
Shut up, MM. MM goes, remove the stop loss.
Remove the stop loss. And then what? Price flips. Don, should I close or open the trade? Well, man, what do you want to do in the first place? Well, I thought that it would just reject to continue up. Then I entered a position by mistake. Did I ask you yet what last size you pop? Hold on. Same question I get every day.
What's the FOMO command? Is it type 1?
Type 1, type 2. DVS.
I'm struggling.
Why are you getting
2 messages?
You got retract or they retract you?
No, I just learned I can delete messages from yesterday. So now
Marcos is amazed by that.
FOMO 1. Oh, okay. I've never used those commands.
15 is that 15 flipping?
Who's constipated?
Use some prune juice, guys. Whoever you guys are. Yo, Wixline, you're the type to drink. You drink prune juice in your protein?
Some Dulcolax. No, but prunes are really good after the gym to
Real?
spike up insulin. Yeah, spike up your insulin levels. So yeah, prunes, raisins, grapes, stuff like that.
You got
We
a
flipped.
Figs.
15 flip.
I did it.
red
did.
folder at 8:15 as well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some
Oh,
volume,
there's
that's
a
winner.
flip. We should be good here now. Let's see. Let's see when we get our 10 pips up here.
Commentary is amazing here.
Commentary. Yo, Marcos, do the commentary in the soccer accent.
I can't. I'm not in the right mindset right now. It's the international break. The league is on a break right now.
When does it resume?
Don't jinx it, guys. Not a runner yet.
I'll jinx it. I'm playing. Where's Tempest for us? That is gonna be
Top of the range, pretty much.
Not even on your screen.
151,895. The spreads probably looking at like 151,900. Is that breaking data highs? I believe that's breaking data highs, right? No, it's not.
I'm gonna close half at 9 at the top of that resistance.
That's 9 for you.
At 874, just because.
Yo,
It's
how
a
are you
resistance.
talking shit that I got fucking wicked in or I'm in there first? You're like
I
2
ain't
pips
got-
earlier.
I ain't got broker social media.
You were in there when Don was placing the stops. You were in the trade. It was low key. I ain't gonna lie.
What's your entry
But
was?
I hit it.
Pardon? Me?
I was asking Marcos what his entry was with spread.
Oh, 787. I account for everything.
Oh, so that's not too bad.
Yo, I'm gonna get some water. I'll be right back. Take care.
My spread's literally like half a pip.
So like right now you're like 6 pips in profit, 5 pips in profit, right?
Yes, 6 or 5.5.
I'm at 4.
I love how the dude in chat was like, I don't understand why you took this trade. And then it starts pushing in profit and he goes, man, I missed this trade. It's like, yo, you gotta stick to your bias, man. You didn't want to take this trade. Don't have FOMO because you didn't.
Premier didn't take it, right? It's not your trade.
No, I didn't. Once the 30-minute closed above, I liked it. But the open of the candle, it made a 1 pip bottom wick and then immediately pushed up, and there's no entry for me.
See, don't
Like
be that
that.
guy. Be Premier, and he's going, yeah, I'm rooting for you guys. I hope the other guy's like, fuck, I didn't get in this straight.
Yeah, exactly.
It's all right. You will have a chance once we hit B.
Not looking good, eh? We're breaking the lows.
A?
Eh? We're breaking the lows, eh? How many pips away are we? Jeez, this tool is completely chalked.
Oh, we breaking the highs.
Okay, we're breaking the highs. Cool. Perfect. We have 80 on volume in about what, 9 minutes here? Should be interesting.
And the 1 hour entry would
I know, 10.
had you 11 pips.
Small wick though. If you had a bigger wick, 100% on a flip.
Before I was getting like kind of like frustrated when the candle would open, create a small bottom wick, and then just flip and like not give me an entry. But I've just decided that those. Oh, whoa. I'm gonna stop talking so that you can clip this. Go ahead.
Nah, we're not at 10 pips yet. I can't clip anything. I already clipped the break-even part, so we're good until 10 pips.
Okay.
I gotta get your filming schedule.
Oh, my film, yeah. So basically, at you don't break even is 10 pips.
Yeah.
I see that, and then W, you know.
Those are cues, chat, that you might end up on camera. That you might end up on film.
Even though I'm risk-free, I never like these trades. Well, why are you in it if you don't like the trade? I mean, first you gotta understand like why you're actually in it, right? Because if you don't understand, then you shouldn't be in it. But I guess like you can just look into it about a lot more next time. Next time setup comes up again, you can look for the exact same setup and how we kind of got the setup today. Try to replicate the same trade. What's a W and why WWW? A W is a win. So a L is a loss. Like L. People say L. People say L on social media. L. So it's W for a win. And looks like we are gonna hit breaks. Yeah, I think at this point we're gonna have to wait for this 1 hour closing. We might just not move here for 1 hour until the 1 hour candle closes. And the hardest part will come, chat. The most challenging part where we gotta survive the 1 hour lows. That is gonna be the hardest part of this trade here, unless you get 10 pips before. But then you gotta survive the wick, and you can't go past 5 wicks, which is a rare occurrence on this GJ 1 hour candle. It's a 10 pip candle. However, if you close above this range here on a 1 hour candle, then you can expect the next 1 hour candle to just drive all the way up. So that'd be perfect if we can just close like this above the range. We can close half at 10, and then 2 we can just like, I guess, enter another position maybe, or for people having their opportunity to enter more positions on the break on a 1 hour. 15's reflipping again for a 6 time.
It's like, how about no? Oh, we rebroke the highs.
Oh, there it is.
The crowd goes wild.
Slow.
Yeah, Marcus, have you up your last as in FX too?
Say it again?
Have you up your last as in FX?
Not for like 2 months.
Oh. No, I was like you would have upped it recently.
You got like 8 pips on there. Why don't you close?
All right, guys, one pip in profit. Gonna close full here. The W.
We got
Technically,
runners.
if you keep
One
doing
pip
that
in
every
profit.
day, you can increase your record. 1 pip every day, guys. I'm officially 62-1. Caught a total of 60 pips in the month of August.
And 55 pips of commission.
Up $1. Up $5.
Oh, damn. This 5 opened with no bottom wick.
You're good, man. Don't worry about it.
Damn, this
Looking
1
at the
minute
5. I never hear Wicks talk about the 5. That's how you know he's down bad.
trolling. Oh shit. Yeah, I haven't taken a loss in 2 weeks.
Ooh. How many trades have you taken in 2 weeks is the real question.
One trade.
How many?
2.
Yeah,
No,
okay.
I'm like 3 trades.
3 trades in 2 weeks?
Yeah. Since last Wednesday? No, I'm lying. Since the Wednesday before that, let me look. I've got more. I got 4 or 5 trades. 5 trades, 1 loss in 2 weeks. 4 and 1.
That's not bad.
But if you go since last Friday, it's literally 2 and 0. It was last Monday actually even.
Memories.
Yeah, Don, how many trades you got in the last 10 days? 2, right?
Last 10 days. 3.
Since the beginning of last week.
2, 3.
3, right?
Yeah, 3.
And so that's the same 3 I have.
Who was someone with the 5-minute bond wick? Was it you? We're creating a bond wick now, clearly, but look what you did for us. Oh, is that the bottom wick being created? Will we flip her?
Oh,
You're welcome.
Look at that 4-hour. Beautiful 4-hour. I will say, we just gotta push and re-break that high. It will be goody for the 4-hour candle for runner positions. If we just break
It's like
151, 957.
It's like the 4th or the 5th time 15 is trying to like break its own high.
oh, this is good here.
Just smoke this victory cigar over here.
To the moon. So. Don Toliver's voice is actually amazing, man. I gotta play some Don Toliver right now. Kid Cudi. Yeah, shit, Don. I don't think you guys want to hear me sing, man. Need some auto tune. I do got some auto tune actually. I'm not sure it's set up the way I want it set up though. Let's see. We can play this album. Euphoria. Yo, who's that for Drake on Friday? Certified Lover Boy. Yes, sir. He was giving out free teas popping out the window in Toronto yesterday. I wanted to go. It was at 12 a.m. though. Certified Lover Boy merch. Yo, what's the song? What song? What song was I just playing? Moon by Kanye West, Don Toliver, and Kid Cudi. It's on Donda. Please say something then play that I guess we'll never know. I don't know. It has to come naturally. You have to wait till it actually comes. Okay, yo, Wixon, what is this, man? What is this on my screen?
It's a parabola.
Andre, remember yesterday when I was like, when Tyler was like, I was like, yo, Tyler, like, do you see the roller coaster here? Which chair?
Throwing a little lever.
Nice. He's going fishing or what?
And I don't know, he's pulling something.
Well, if you think about it, Inception, bro. He's not pulling something. Someone's actually pulling him.
Someone said that's a big toe. I see it.
Someone's actually pulling him.
Yeah, too. I was looking.
What are you laughing at, my or his?
It's a
I'm
big
laughing
toe.
at the
That's
big toe, yo.
Yeah, it looks like a big toe.
If you think about it, like, if you like, you know, people who paint nails.
Yo, GJ here.
Oh, nice.
tips,
About to be 10
haircut.
very
Give
soon.
me French.
We're here drawing toes on our screen. Adds a little ribbing, you know, a little wrinkle to the toe, and add some hair too, you know.
Hairy toes, dog.
Yeah, man, you know the vibes.
There it is.
Oh,
9
nice.
8 pips. Where you
Okay,
at?
okay. Hold on. I gotta delete this. Are we gonna get 10 pips? What am I in? I didn't check my MP5. 6, 7 pips, man. There's no way. Yeah, I'm like 7 pips in profit here.
You got 6, 7 pips right now?
Yeah. I'm not at 10. Oh. Ooh. 8 pips. Can I get 9? I want to close half at 9.
Don, can
Someone
we
goes-
see a no closure runner here for you?
Someone goes, I might impulse.
What? All right, chat. I'm actually gonna lock in some profits here. I'm gonna lock in half here at 10 pips here. Lock in 10 pips right there. Perfect. And then gonna let a runner run risk free here until TB. So
Play it.
Yo, your record skipping.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
turn me up.
Nice. Those big W's right there like that.
That was awesome. I didn't know it was gonna end.
W. So we got locked in 10 pips here. Let's see if our runner. What'd you say, Andre? You said me attempting no closure here. I don't know.
Yeah. We haven't seen it live. I wanted you to let this 4-hour fly and no closure, move your stops to instead of break even to like 10 pips in profit when we push. But
Oh fuck, that's okay. I wanted to secure it today.
yeah, understandable.
I think my new favorite hobby is waiting for the W spam, waiting for that one guy to put L, and then just ban him.
Damn, man. No, like this trade wasn't bad though. This trade wasn't bad. Not a lot of people said this trade was bad. Everyone like kind of was on the same boat on this trade. Like buys. Yesterday was toxic. Super toxic yesterday.
Someone said you should hold this trade with balls. Okay. Yo, good trade.
Thank you.
10 pips. 11 pips.
What was your closure at? 50% at like 9 or 10? What'd you get?
9.5, I think. Basically 10.
Nice.
I
we got
closed
9.
466. So yeah, roughly around 10. 9-10.
We got 9. I clicked to close. It dropped down to 7.5.
For me, it was the opposite. I got 10.
Yeah, can we get a to this day?
To this day.
Remember yesterday when I was gonna play something? I put.
Interesante.
Oh no, I put this. What was it yesterday? I was gonna say something else, and then I put. And I fucked with the whole joke. If this runner can go today, I'll be lovely. If we can run all the way towards TP today, that would be lovely. Oh wow, 1 hour closure didn't close above the range. I thought I did. That was 5 minutes ago. You didn't tell me. 30, 15.
I told you 1 hour close. We got no bottom wick on the new one.
Oh, that's not looking good then.
Closing full.
Look at the 4 though. Look at the 4.
Oh wow, 4 hour wick fill. Okay, cool. I guess we're not looking at the 1 hour no more. We're looking at the 4 hour here.
Once this daily breaks those highs, I mean,
Ciao Bella. Ciao Bella.
Ciao Bella.
Play
Hey,
the running track star
hey,
song. We'll play the song.
hey.
Yeah, we'll play the song. Good idea. What's it called? What's it called?
Oh, W and
Track
runner
star.
on my last day in this fucking place. Look at the view. I'm gonna miss this shit.
Oh, aren't you moving today?
Damn.
Yeah, I got the movers. I told you they're outside.
We get a W in the chat for Wix 9's house.
W in chat for Work Science House.
Oh, you're gonna have me unlocked. There's gonna be some light.
We can have a house tour.
No, yeah, we're
With
gonna
a
do
suit
house
every
tour.
day, a suit and tie to the streams.
Introduce
Look
you
at
to
the
my
chat, man.
roaches.
Yo, you can't find this community anywhere else in the FX community, bro. Nowhere else. Devious to the moon.
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, why take it this far? She gon' do the race, just not this one. Love is a game you used to cheer for. When I was down to talk, you weren't here for. You woo woo woo. Leave the track, break, get heartache like it cool. I guess way too late, it's convenient for you. The dirt you left don't turn into dust, it don't move. It's still waiting for you. Girl, you're killing me.
When was the last time I had a runner that actually played out? A long time, right? A month?
Like before summer, it used to be like 2 a month.
Well, volatility was there. We don't got that anymore.
Yeah, this 1 hour needs to make a bottom work.
We might not survive the bottom week, to be honest with you. If I'm keeping it 100. Keeping it 100. This is like, if you think about it, all we did today was plan out the trade with their setups. Realize that it was an onion play setup. Wait for the onion play and took the onion play. You know, like that was it. That was it. Whatever happens in the trade happens in the trade. Come back tomorrow, same thing. On a bias, look for one of your setups, wait for them, execute, complete. It's that simple if you think about it, right? You don't look for anything else. Damn. Congrats, chat. Congrats, chat. Who in the chat closed full at 10 though? That's the real question. Because I know a lot of people close full at 10. You can close full at 10 if you wanted to. Wait, so are you gonna close full since the winner has no bottom wick?
No, I closed 3/4 of my position.
3/4. Oh, so you got a smaller runner today.
I mean, I'm sorry, 3/4, 2/3. So I opened up. My computer was for some reason at 3 instead of 5 because I switched over from gold. You know, on gold I was at a half position, so whatever it is, I had it at 3 and I clicked buy. I set up 3 buy stops instead of 2 at 5. So I closed 3 lots at one at 7.5, one at 9. And now I got a 3 lot running in 8.4 pips.
Close 9%, left 10% runner. Nice.
I just don't feel like 10% runners are worth it because, like, if they go, like, I don't know.
Yeah, you're not making
really
much on a runner. Yeah.
Much, and if they don't go, like, I don't know, might as well close full.
Tyler got double closure.
It's gotta be effective. You know?
Yeah, I mean that's the whole point of runners, right? What I will do though is if we don't close above this range on a 15-minute time frame, I may consider closing full. If the 15 doesn't close above 152, 890, 880-ish around the area, then I'll look to close full. I know I'm asking for a
have
lot
half
today.
Position runner, right?
Pardon?
You only have half a position running. I mean, you have a significant
half,
amount
yeah.
running.
About half.
Yeah, I got a third, you know, so like I've secured more than, 50%.
Bond Wick is being created right now as we speak, so Let's see how steep the bottom wick is, but it looks like we are coming down to create this lower wick on a 1 hour time frame here, which may, if it comes down to here, stop us out. But let's hope it's just a nip and reflip.
Yeah, but there's a lot of potential. There's a lot of room to go up.
A lot.
Yeah, nice range up there. So we might get a position a little bit anyway.
Yo, Tyler, what was the reason for your closure? Was it because the 1 hour didn't have bottom wick? Because if that was, then well played, man. That's a checkmate right there.
Yeah, we hitting this B right now.
Prices flipped. The 1 hour never closed above the range. 30 minute never closed above the range. 50 never closed above the range. So that's why we closed half in the first place. I mean, it's a lot we gotta ask for here, but we just want a little bottom weight, which is this right here. That'll be perfect. And if we reflip,
This
should be goody. But we gotta re-break the highs here now.
Enough, yeah.
How's the 5 minute look? Oh, no bottom weight in the 5 minute. Okay, we have potential here. We have potential here. We have potential here.
Check the 30 seconds. Check the 30 seconds.
30 seconds showing I started playing on a 30-second time frame. New soon? Yeah, you have new soon in 4 minutes here. But we're not in gold or anything or dollar pairs, so it shouldn't really like shouldn't be anything crazy for us.
And it would be awesome if news came out good for the US dollar, made gold tank, and then GJ pushed up. That would be a perfecto scenario.
Ooh. I think they're expecting bad numbers though. Oh no, my bad.
They're
Good numbers.
expecting
Good
good
numbers. Good numbers. 600, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Disinfortunadamente, or how you say that.
Desafortunadamente.
Not a bit.
What does that mean? I can't afford to lose money.
It's unfortunate.
Unfortunately.
Do you think price
I
will tap
can't afford to
153?
lose money.
Sounds the same, you know. You think we'll tap 153? Let's not worry about that yet, man. Let's just worry about 152, 177 here. The next possible. No. Let's actually first worry about this resistance right here at 151, 878, because 174. Because you need to break that in order for you to tap the next resistance, and then in order for you to tap 153, you need to break this. So take it one step at a time. Don't do too much predicting. Who knows what will happen? What I do know is that the weekly is bullish, and that was my target for the week, around like 152, which we're about to tap actually. Wow. Yeah. Goes down. What's good about the trade though is that we got him before the 4 hour flip, but still, higher time frame it was.
Yo, this is crazy. These dislikes. Yo, whoever this bot is, I don't know, whoever put that on there, I hope your fucking children get left back in high school.
Back in high school. Fuck.
What are we at? What number?
I know. I just ignore it, you know. I think when you ignore things, it just goes away.
I'm done with looking at it.
Like it's not, you know, I want to trade today. It's all that. It's all that matters. We're able to provide value.
Yeah, if you guys want to fucking trade, hit that like button.
Yeah, if you guys could trade today, you guys want to trade, smash that like button. If you guys are new here, go sub to the channel. On our way to 10k subs.
Trades taken.
Oh shit! You're right. Trade's taken. I knew I forgot something. What trade did it take yesterday? GJ, right? No, gold.
Gold.
Gold sells, and then gold came down. Wow. Yo, Wixon, you ever been in Calgary?
No, never been there.
You ever been anywhere other than? I think you've been to Vancouver. I'm pretty sure you've been to Vancouver.
No, I've only been to Toronto and Montreal and Quebec. And
Oh.
I've never been to the west coast of Canada.
Oh man, Break Even has been smacked here.
Wah, wah, wah.
Break Even has been tapped here, chat. I think this is news though. You have news here. So how do numbers come out? Numbers came out with bad numbers. Wow, look at that.
Yo, did you get slipped on that close?
Let me
I
check.
got slipped a lot. I got slipped like 8 pips on the break even.
I got slipped. Yeah, I did.
Damn.
Yeah, I did.
Damn, everyone got slipped. How much did you get slipped on?
Like 7.
Oof.
Oof. Yeah, I just checked that shit. Yeah. Well.
Someone said bitch ass news. That situation, will you contact TD and ask for a refund?
Perhaps, yeah. I'll ask them. See what they do.
You should keep us all posted. I think that would be a good topic.
Yeah.
To show people. So basically, after the news, after that slippage, it was basically break even, right? Like maybe like
4 pips, 5 pips, yeah.
Fuck.
Yeah. It's not good though. Like, yeah, it's very important. Like, even if you do get stuff in that with news and all that, it's important to understand that you still want to trade at the end of the day, and the trade. Just think of the trade for what it is. Like, yes, these might things that happen that you can't control, like slips, spreads, stuff. But at the end of the day, as long as the whole idea behind it is there still, and it made sense, and it's playing out, nothing else matters. So,
say a 4-hour celery play on gold potentially incoming.
Oh, yes. That numbers for So the day tapper is doing what we wanted GJ to do here. There's like a gold here real quick. Gold can create a support here, create a resistance. I didn't play a support. Price to retest the highs here. So same entry type on 30-minute time frame for GJ. So you expect price to continue up.
Looking for some buys above 18 on gold.
Who else got slipped in chat?
We should run a poll.
Nah, it's not worth it. I think a lot of people like everyone took it.
You said you think everyone took it?
I don't think everyone took it. Like, not all 300 people. Numbers are terrible. Yeah, numbers came out really bad. Numbers came out worse than expected. They expected 640. Numbers came out 374. So, damn. A lot of people lost their jobs last month. Damn.
Titan's a savage.
Ooh, look at gold push up though. Wow. That's crazy. Yeah, Chad, that's why I don't really like trade news. I mean, thankfully, like, we're break even, but like it wasn't gold or anything, like, you know, so I wasn't really expecting much to happen on GJ. Like anything crazy, but when trading news directly, this is why I like to stay out around these hours. So like usually if I was looking for a trade right now, I'll probably look for a trade at 9:30 or 8:30 here, because 8:15 is the news. I want to wait like 15 minutes after news for news to settle down and then take advantage of the volume after. But there's no positions here. I'll say it now. Like, look at the 1 hour break, the lows there. Price looks like just driving down here towards the support. We're still in just 1 hour 30-minute range here, so I believe we need something else to happen here for us to really push up. We need a closure here at possibly 9 a.m. Marcos came back and he hit breaks.
Marcos was the only one that didn't get slipped, probably.
He's a different broker.
With slippage?
There's a lot of people that don't have TD that got slipped. I just saw in the chat.
How much does it get slipped by?
You know what I was actually gonna do too? I was gonna close full if the 15 was gonna close below the range. Remember I said that? I'm like, if the 15 closes above, I'll close full. Or start below, I'll close full. But close above, I'll leave it. I didn't have time to do anything. By the time I saw it, this thing just came down. I'm surprised the 1 hour broke the lows though. If it closes above the line, we enter another trade. Yeah, I'm looking for more buys.
Above the line. It's called the resistance, my friend.
Can't type. Jeez. Jeez. Closure. I didn't get a slip. Damn. Speaking about that. Speaking about that. Speaking on that. One chart today. Let's see. Nice. No text. Might take a buy at 15180. Arrow going up. Nice. Nice. Lovely chart, man. 10 out of 10. I think the trades here will look about a lot better if you just put text on it, explain like exactly what you saw in the trade, right? And how you manage it, etc. Possible entry on 30-minute GJ above 151.873. Yes, 873, 870 area. Yeah, above there for sure. Because you have this resistance here now, right, chat? This is the resistance that we were worried about earlier. That's why we close half here at 10. Thankfully, price wicked up and we're goodies though. Bonja, this is what I meant earlier when you asked, yo, Don, how do you feel about the weekly being at resistance? This is how I feel about it. The weekly could be at resistance, but we can still wick up. You know what I mean? And then close below still. So that, yeah. But wouldn't be concerned with that. Thankfully, we got 10 pips. We wicked up and then we hit break even after. So we were able to secure. That'll also be the 1 hour closure at 9 a.m. Yeah, that'll be a 1 hour closure as well at 9 a.m. You have a 1 hour closure with like a, I believe 30-minute closure, 15 closure if it all closes above that range. Yeah. Plus the 4 candle will be closing as well, so we have to see how it closes, bullish or bearish. I don't want it to close doji though. I would expect that we'll move for the 9 a.m. candle. But let's see. Gold flipped. Why is earlier today, like everyone when I started the stream was like, yo, gold's gonna fly today. It's gonna fly, it's gonna fly. I don't think gold is ready to fly. I think just we're in this range here. This ugly range here. right? So we don't know what's gonna happen until we actually break out. I understand people disliking the stream. They're bots, man. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. If you ignore it, it'll disappear. That's what I learned in life. Or find ways to work around it, you know? Our way working around it is just to not put our energy towards it. Simple. Simple. Don't trip over things you can't control, right? What's the song again? This song is Diva by Don Toliver. Pull up in the after party. Anything's possible. Yeah, anything's possible, man. 10K end of the month. Let's see. We're like 900 subs away.
Possible.
Yo, the other day we were talking about Spider-Man. What did I say again? Was my favorite Spider-Man? 2, right? Who was in
the Amazing Spider-Man?
Who was in 2?
2 is Tobey Maguire.
Ah.
With Doc Ock.
Who's that guy? That other guy?
Yeah, that guy.
Hold on. Oh yeah, Andrew Garfield. Which one is he in? The Amazing Spider-Man?
Amazing Spider-Man.
Who's your favorite?
My favorite is Tom Holland.
Why is he your favorite?
I think he portrays the
Character.
Spider-Man the best. Like obviously I have the nostalgia of Tobey Maguire, but I think the first 2 Spider-Mans were like too emo.
Damn. So what's your favorite Spider-Man?
Movie like standalone?
Yeah.
Probably like Spider-Man 2. Spider-Man 2 with Tobey. That one's really good, but I think the best actor is Tom Holland.
You don't like Andrew Garfield?
Bro, that dude's ass.
Okay. How many was he? Only just one?
Who?
Andrew Garfield?
No, he had 2. The first one was I think it was versus Lizard. The second one was Electro.
That dude is ass.
It's hard because like you grow up with like Tobey Maguire. He's like the OG. Like we all watched him on like DVD and stuff. And then but I think Tom Holland's the best for like the comic to actually play Spider-Man.
It's like saying
Tobey Maguire was legit a bully, bro. He was like an emo bully. I was like, what the? Looking back, you're like, what?
It's like saying Home Alone. Like ever since they changed, like Home Alone 3 is ass. Who watched Home Alone 3? I didn't even watch it. I just know it was bad.
I don't even remember. Those are so old.
Home Alone 1 was sick. 2 was fire.
It says sick and fire.
3 was just terrible. Was he in Home Alone? Was he in what's his name? What's his name? McCullen? Damn, what's his name? Oh yeah. Macaulay Culkin. There you go. Yeah. Home Alone 2 is one of my favorites? Really? Damn, man. That's down bad. I never watched Home Alone. I'm too young. Damn. If you didn't watch Home Alone, I'll tell you. That's a movie I watch every year, one time, minimum. Yo, you guys ever watch Mr. Bean?
I think
Like-
briefly, but it's so cringe. I stopped.
No, like, really? Like the old like Mr. Bean what episodes? I don't know what they're called.
Maybe not.
Bro, watch like the New York, the one that happens in like a Christmas Day, New Year's, like that shit is, yo, Wixon, you watch Home Alone, right?
Yeah.
I can tell you probably a fucking dialect. This guy is so stupid, man. Like there's an episode of him of Mr. Bean, he has like a little yellow car. So he has a lock on his car, right? But like instead of like having a regular lock, like you put a key inside and you twist it, this guy took his lock with him everywhere he went so that no one can open up his car. And then one time he lost his lock. He couldn't open up the car. Yo, that guy is creative. I will say he is pretty creative. He has a big brain. Big brain plays. Let's kill some time. I mean, we have like 30 minutes. It's only 8:30. Wow. Let's kill some time. If you could time travel to the past, what era you choose to live in? Probably like January, honestly. Probably would just hop into every NFT project there was. Yo,
But that if you were in NFTs in January, you would retire by now.
yo, like I mean, any project too, it doesn't even matter, you know, because it was just popping.
Yeah, if you were any January projects in January right now, you'd be like 8 to 9 figures.
I lied,
depending on
no.
how much you bought.
I'll go back to 2017, bro. What about I would have just signed up for a free CryptoPunk. Open 20 accounts.
Oh,
Imagine you open 20 accounts, free CryptoPunks. You sold at 30K. You're like, yo, it's at the high. I'm selling CryptoPunk. A month later, it's at 100, 200, 300K. Fuck. I think a lot of people did that too, though. A lot of people sold at like 30K.
yeah, they did. A lot of people didn't have the
Patience.
the fortitude, the cojones to hold past 10K, 30K, 100K. Like now they're sitting at about 350K, 400K. Someone said, were you alive during 9/11?
No, I was 9/11. I was. What year is that? 2001.
Yeah, 2001. I sometimes forget that like it's an American thing. Like not everyone knows like all the details about it.
Yeah, I mean, I
Like, you're
don't,
from
bro.
Canada. You're Canadian. Like they don't have to teach you that,
They don't teach us it, but like every year, like first week of school, we'll have like a memorial for it, a moment of silence for it.
Really?
Yeah, like 9/11, like even in Canada too.
I don't know a thing about Canada.
Really?
I couldn't tell you a single important historical fact about Canada.
Do you
I
know
remember
who?
listen to this 9/11 happened, everybody knew what it was for the first 5 years. Then 10 years later, like a lot less people knew what it was. 15 years later, like like it's crazy how like less and less people that I run into every day just know what it was. But like I remember when it happened, and I've lived like every day after it, seeing how like it slowly gets forgotten and slowly
That's right.
leaves
Really?
culture.
And so gets forgotten?
Someone
mean-
said NFTs don't melt steel beams.
What?
You wouldn't get that joke. That's straight up politics. You cannot talk about that.
Keep the politics out, chat, please.
It's
Please.
so funny. It's like a funny conspiracy.
What's Canada's most important holiday? Fucking Canada Day. Canada Day. July
Canada
1st.
Day.
July 1st. Before July 4th. You know how we have 4th of July? We have Canada Day.
Is
They-
that like an Independence Day?
Yeah, for you. No. Yeah, basically, yeah.
From who? France?
Yo, you're asking the wrong guy, bro. I can't even answer these questions.
You don't know? What do you mean?
Yo, what I do know is that, yo, do you know Canada's most popular, what is it, product?
Bro, what?
Maple syrup, bro.
Is that true?
Yeah. I mean, fucking, that's what we're known for. Maple syrup. Canadians. You ever seen a bag of milk in a bag of milk? In America, you don't have bags of milk.
Yes.
No, really?
Milk in a bag.
I used to see him at the dining hall because in college for the milk dispenser. That's about it.
I remember watching on TV at their first point hit, and then second hit live, motion same thing ever. That's insane, bro. Canadian bacon, lacrosse.
Disgusting.
They have maple syrup mafia that goes around the world pulling up vampires and making fake maple syrup. I respect that hustle. Yo, who told me that? Was it Wixnine?
Nope.
Someone told me about maple syrup. I think it was Samurai, bro. Where is Samurai? Andre, why are you laughing, brother? Where is Samurai?
It's a samurai.
He popped up a couple weeks ago, didn't he?
Yeah, he I don't know. I ain't gonna say anything. Shout out to you, samurai. Probably watching.
You got access. I don't know why he don't log on.
Maybe a lot of people just like to set strategies or whatever. So maybe just something happened. I don't know.
Switched up on.
No, I don't think it's
used to
switching
have
up.
the,
It's just a strategy.
The bag milk back in the day.
What?
My elementary school.
Oh, the little one, the little straw, the chocolate
Little
milk.
pouch that you pop the straw in.
The chocolate milk. They're like, yo, do you guys want chocolate milk or white milk? Or
Fire.
I'm like, nah, we want the chocolate milk.
Yo,
Chocolate milk was smack.
I was in Publix the other day. You know, Lando Lakes took off the little Indian off of it. You know, Lando Lakes, the butter. They had the little Indian floating in the sun. They took the Indian out. There's just the sun or whatever it is. It's crazy. It's like, where's my butter? I'm looking for the Indian. It's not there. I don't see any box. So back to the maple syrup.
Nah, man, we're down bad. We have about 22 minutes left. We're talking about maple syrup. How old were you on 9/11, Wixnine? Someone asked.
I don't know. We were in high school. I was 10th grade, I think. Yeah, 10th grade. I left school for breakfast, walked in on the side, walked into math class or homeroom, something like that, and started falling asleep, and then some Asian guy ran into the house. I mean, into the classroom, opened the door while the teacher's speaking. He's like, "Turn on the news. Did you see what happened? The planes flew into the fucking building." Nobody knew what he was talking about. And that shit was literally like 6 miles away from my high school. So you come out, you can pretty much see everything.
Damn. Where are you from, man? Why?
Yeah, I was in Brooklyn at the time.
Yeah.
I was in Coney Island, and you could see this shit from everywhere.
Not finna ban me, but I think I like fake maple syrup better. The flavor just hits different. Reminds you of my childhood. Hey, man. You're getting banned. I'm playing. I don't really care for that, man. It's all good. Ain't gonna ban you. I was in 3rd grade. I was 1 year old when 9/11 happened. 1 year old. Yo, look at that 30-minute closure on gold there, above that resistance there. Closed perfectly above that resistance. Price shot up towards next resistance cleanly. I think we broke this down earlier today too, but I don't think I took it. I don't think
I got 10 pips.
Oh, fuck off.
I was muted. 5 minute music.
Yeah,
It's clean.
that's a clean trade, bro. It's a clean trade. How big are stops there?
26 pips. Target was
Jeez.
26 pips, 1 for 1.
You close
A little
half?
higher. Nah, close full. First day of the month, closing full. Close full
W.
for the first probably half of this month. And then if runners look good, that's probably the only time I'll hold runners.
You went on the flip?
Yep, my entry exact with spreads was 18, 14, 5-0.
Oh, was
Yeah.
1 hour sell play as well?
The 1 hour accelerator play happened when news dropped.
Oh.
And then the 30-minute closure. Honestly, the 30-minute didn't close above that resistance at 1813 until like the last 2 minutes of the 30-minute candle. Like I was ready to, like look for the closure above, and then it didn't look like it was happening. So I was like, whatever. And then I came back and closed above, opened up, created a top wick first. So I was just waiting, created a bottom wick, and then I put sell stops at 18, 14, 50.
Yes, yes.
W. Yeah, I think I was looking at it, and then I think I saw like the last 2 minutes was like bearish or something. So I'm like, I think or yeah, it was bearish, right? Or it was like below the range, and then we just ended up closing above. It's fine though. Chat. If whoever got that position, congrats. I am looking for more positions on gold and GJ. I want more buys on gold above 1817.948, and then buys on GJ above 151.874.
Gold with the volume.
I was thinking about it, do a wick fill. It was definitely a wick fill. Yeah, it was a wick fill. Because if you look on a 15, it was a bearish, or 5 minute, it was a bearish candle, right? Creating a low wick. So if you know how read counts backwards, a wick fill is the wick is the range fill. In this case, the range was created on the 5 minute time from here. Everything kind of lined up perfectly here to the T. So 8:32 right after news. That's perfect. How big was the bottom wick?
It's like 4 or 5 pips.
Yeah.
Let's see how the bottom wick retested that support. Nice talk.
Sorry. I was adjusting my seat. How the forward respects that support, yeah.
No. I was saying, you said how big is the bottom wick on the 30-minute candle, and I said 4 or 5 pips, and then I said it retested that support at 1813. Nope, you're on the hourly. 30. Yes. Yep, right there.
I see. I see. You guys want to play some EDM? I feel like a lot of chat likes EDM music.
Oh, what happened? One of the dislike bots exploded. Disappeared. Left the chat.
Juice WRLD, I love Juice WRLD, man. That new Baby Keem and Kendrick. I think I can't play Kendrick. I don't think I can play Kendrick. I always get blocked after I play Kendrick. Some Kendrick songs some Kanye songs and some Drake songs I get blocked. Weird. Don't know why. I can play I used to play Post Malone all day. Post Malone was a vibe on stream. A vibe.
I'm gonna hop off, boys. Go eat some breakfast.
Alright, boys. Peace out, boy. This boy.
All right, boys. I'm gonna join Marcos. We're gonna have breakfast together.
Alright, boys. Me too, boys. Yo, you're not leaving me, man. You have about 15 minutes in your shift left.
I got movers outside. I can't drop these guys. Otherwise, I'd be on my way for the chicken and waffles.
Chat, you're invited. We're having eggs.
Alright.
Eggs. No, I'm done.
What's the
with
address?
eggs, too.
Not yet.
Peace out, bro. None of your
Done with
business.
eggs for breakfast. This shit tastes like cardboard to me right now. Been eating eggs every day for like half a year. Done. My new favorite breakfast dish is leftover dinner.
That's your breakfast now?
Yeah, it's my new favorite dish.
Don't think it's too early to eat that stuff though. What time do you eat breakfast at? Before the stream or after the stream?
After the stream.
Oh, so you kind of chill then.
I have a I have a bottle of water that or maybe sometimes two, that I drink during the stream. Damn, I'm not looking forward to this. I got a bunch of shit to move.
I share my Discord. I got you. What is that?
So I'm not looking forward to this. I got a bunch of shit to move.
Yeah. What time is the moving at?
I told them to chill out till 10:30.
Why? Because you got to trade?
Yeah, because I'm trading. They showed up. And they got nothing to do there. They went probably to get breakfast. I don't know.
Be like, hey, do you want to learn how to catch 10 pips?
That's the worst conversation to have somebody.
I know, bro. Someone new.
Introduce them in trading.
No, fuck. I'm not even gonna. What do you do? I'm just gonna say from now on, I have a business. Simple. Like, I don't want to get into this. Oh, what do you do? What kind?
I just tell people I do consulting. I run a consulting firm. I consult myself on trades to take.
Trend is bullish. Missed the move. 3 buys above, 4 target buys. I think you gotta be very aware of this resistance to the left there. I think this resistance is where you gotta be aware of. I think above there is where you want for buys, not above here. Because if you get buys above here, then you're gonna tap into this right away, right? So you have that little range there. It's not worth it. You might as well wait for the actual range breakout. In that case, what else is this? What is this? One, trend is bearish. Cool. Sells below here, closure, moves out to break even, still target. Is it bearish though? I think the daily time frame is bullish. I think we're bullish on the daily time frame. Yeah, we're bullish on the daily time frame. Pricing up to fill that wick. So I think the trend is bearish. But yeah, I think for sells, you probably want to range to a breakout. What else is there? I think I got one more. Oh, nice buys. This is a bit earlier than Anji's entry though. I think a bit earlier, it was before the start play, if I'm not wrong. 4 chicken sausages, 3 poached eggs, and a baked potato is my post-gym breakfast. So tasty. Damn. Honestly, my lazy breakfast is like 3 boiled eggs and some cut up potatoes. Boil 3 eggs, put like some cut up potatoes, put some olive oil, salt and pepper, and then put them in the air fryer. Quick, like 10-minute breakfast. Poached eggs.
I like poached eggs.
It's crazy. I used to work 6 hours doing DoorDash for $120. I just made 106 minutes. I'm glad I took that leap of faith and started trading to start of the pandemic. Yeah, I started during the pandemic. That's crazy. I probably have learned a lot more during this pandemic than I've learned my whole life in trading. So, yeah, it definitely helped.
Oh, go.
I think that pandemic is when I started to really like take it like to the next level. The beginning of 2020.
It's 15 really floated. If it closes like this on gold, that's the 4-hour close. Is there news? There's no news, right?
Yeah, there is. 9:30, 9:45, 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing.
Oh, 8:15 we had. That's CAD news.
Not gonna lie, chat, I don't like this music. Not for me. If you do poached eggs, running out of best, dip the chicken sausages in the yolk. Try it sometime. I hate yolk, man. I hate like moist yolk. I like it. I like it like when it's like dried up, you know. I don't like the taste.
Cooked. You like it when it's fully cooked.
Yeah, when it's fully cooked. I hate like having yolk run down like on my rice or whatever. I hate it. It's nasty.
It's delicious.
That's nasty, man.
You ever get egg
I
on
can
your
still
burger? Bite into it and have the
Oh man, that's
all over the
fucking
burger.
nasty, bro.
Delicious breakfast burger. Put some avocados on it.
Nah, I can't.
Sprinkle some truffle salt on it. Salt Bay style.
Hey champs, I miss you guys. Exams are in a month and you're gonna kill it. Cannot wait to get back with your legends. Hey man, excited to have you back whenever that happens. Hey, hope you have a good exam season. No eggs Benedict. Yo, what's that
Benedict is
sauce?
delicious.
Hollandaise sauce on the poached eggs.
Yeah.
That's pretty
what I'm
good.
about to make right now.
Damn, ship some to
Nasty.
Toronto.
Nasty with poached eggs. Look,
How do you make poached eggs? You stir the water right while it's boiled, and then you just put the egg in, and you keep stirring every 2 minutes.
The key is you gotta put a little bit of vinegar in the water so the egg doesn't float apart. and break
Oh.
it. So you can put a little bit of vinegar, boil the water, and then just crack the egg in there, and literally 3 minutes I just scoop it out with one of those, I don't know, scoop spoons.
What are
Get
green
hollandaise
eggs?
sauce, get some English muffins, some cheese.
What's
And
the
then-
green eggs? Hold on, you know what that is? Tyler's like green
Green
eggs and ham. What you saying?
Yeah, that's Dr. Seuss. Green eggs and ham.
Apple cider vinegar. Oh, is that the Seuss? Yo, I'm too young for this, man.
Today you are you, that is truer than true. There's no one alive who is
I'm
you.
bullish on poached eggs. Something Gary Vee said. I'm bullish on poached eggs.
I'm bullish on poached eggs too. I'm with you.
I think in the next 5 to 10 years, everyone will be eating poached eggs. 9% of poached
Great
eggs will
shit.
fail, but that 1% will surpass.
In 5 years, Don's gonna be eating black caviar.
Black caviar. Hey, yo,
Caviar for breakfast. That's what I want.
cream of flour right now? Damn, I had that like last weekend. Yeah, we've been talking about food for 30 minutes. We're not looking at charts right now. 7 minutes left, chat, for our closure here. That 4 that Andre just mentioned, the 4 start play looks super clean to really continue up here towards 8 and 21 here. I think as long as you close above here on the 4 hour time frame should be good. It just depends on where you close. If they already close above here or you close above here, it sucks if you can't close in the range here because the range is such a small range going up here. So you probably want, again, a breakout above or just above here for a nice wick fill going up to fill that area. And then obviously look for position on a small time frame, 15, 30, etc. But let's see what we have here. 12 minutes left. Gold looking like the 4 hours line closed bearish here, so not looking good on gold. Looks a lot clearer on a GJ, unless GJ gives you a 4 hour start play, which let's see what happens. Have you ever cut a fish open? Caviar be nasty. Caviar, I never had caviar. Isn't caviar super salty?
There's more salty, less salty caviar. You can get caviar from different fish, but there's like I believe the highest grade caviar from beluga. I don't even think you're allowed to bring it into the U.S. It's like farmed in certain specific locations, like real beluga that came from like back in the day where you get really expensive caviar. Used to come out of Eastern Europe.
Yo, truffles or caviar?
Truffles,
How's truffle taste?
delicious. Go get some truffle mayo or something. It's delicious.
Go looking bipolar. Yeah. Gold hates being bipolar. It's awesome.
You have truffle fries?
Nah.
They sprinkle the truffle cheese on the fries. It's delicious.
Truffle smell funny, tastes delicious.
Smell fun.
What are truffle French fries?
Oh, great.
Yeah, you make me hungry.
They sprinkle truffle cheese on the fries. That's makes them truffle fries.
Ah. So basically a poutine without gravy. With truffles instead.
Mm-hmm.
What's his dip though? Like
they do that. They do the poutine with the truffle.
What's his dip? This is good. Holy shit. Yeah. Valley of Gold. Sun is down. Freezing cold.
You got 5 minutes. And it's gone.
Before Louis belt. Try to tell him. Truffles are mushrooms, no?
Yeah, it's fungus.
It's fungus. Yeah, it's fungus. I was gonna say. Yeah. You like truffle chocolate?
Yeah.
Damn.
But I'd rather have some of those fries right now. I'm starving Marvin right now.
Oh, enough of Western food. Have you ever tried durian? Yo, durian chat ain't bad. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Durian ain't bad. Like, you ever had durian? Like, people say it smells nasty, but it doesn't even smell to me. I can eat this, no problem. If anything, it tastes good to me. I swear. It doesn't even smell. I don't get it. It smells like nothing. You ever had this, Roxanne?
Yeah, I've had it. It's not that bad.
You think it smells?
They sell a lot of them here in Florida.
Yo, but if you're walking and this thing falls on your head from a tree, you're done.
You're done. Yeah,
you're done, so.
Coconuts everywhere. Coconuts and mangoes.
Wow, look at
the
that.
house I'm moving into has a mango tree in the backyard. I'm gonna be collecting a bunch of mangoes.
GSLs, be careful of these cells. There's a range one breakout. Be careful. Let's get Jaffrey. It's not. Jaffreys are different. Jaffreys they have smaller what's it called? What's it called? I don't know what's it called.
Fruit
But
inside?
yeah, I guess the whole thing's a fruit. It has smaller. I don't know. But
Try
they're sweeter. These are definitely sweeter. These don't smell. These are careful when you're cutting them though, because like your hands get super sticky. Like you gotta wear gloves. It's like a weird sticky too. It's like a silk. Stays on your hands.
School I used to bust too. Yo.
I mean, out like a light.
These movies are fun. They text me, you done yet?
What happened?
Movies texting me. They're like, are you done yet?
Give me give him 30 minutes for a 30-minute closure about the Ranger.
Oh, they're hilarious. I wasn't playing. I told them, I'm working. Do I come to your job? And they're like, we're at work right now. Yo, I swear they better not fuck up my Jordan collection. I'm carrying everything myself. Fuck that.
I had to run for a moment. Are we expecting some closures at 9 a.m.? 9 a.m. closures? Yeah, we broke it down already. Moments ago. Go back a little bit. Go back, replay a little bit. Broke down how as long as a 4-hour here closes bullish above this range on gold, we should be goody, which it is. You have this little range that we can actually continue up towards this area right here at 1821 here, but I don't know, chat. How did we close on the 1530 here? Okay, 19 seconds left for a closure here. We have a nice potential wick fill if you do close above this resistance here. To the left too. There's a resistance right here. I think you want a closure above there. Overall, it's still closing above 1817. It should technically continue up. Just again, it's a new forward candle. Expect a decent wick being created for the new forward candle before we actually continue up. And then for GJ here, GJ closed bearish in the forward time frame. Like, daily's bullish for me still. Honestly, I think I'm gonna stay out with GJ for until the end of the day because I want to see how we close here. I want to see if GJ actually closes bullish above his range or if it closes inside the range, coming back down to fill it. So it's very key to wait for that on his forward candle. Oh, sorry, on his daily candle. So GJ's chalk for me for a day. Gold has potential for more opportunities today, but
It's a new 4 hour, so the 4 hours gotta create a bottom wick.
yeah, we need career bottom wick here. I mean, yesterday we didn't. Yesterday we created a little nip, like maybe like a 2-3 pip wick, and then we just drop all the way down. So
On the 4 hour?
yeah, gold.
Yeah, but it came back later. No, it came back later and made a wick.
I dropped like 70 pips yesterday.
No, remember it stopped us out.
No, like after the stream.
Oh.
This one. Yeah, it flipped up after, but like I had a little wick at first. In Singapore, we fried her in. Okay, that's nasty, man. With what? Flour?
I'll air fry everything. Air frying makes everything delicious.
Calling day, peace and love, everyone. Yo, pizza Tyler. Get easy, bro. Thanks for having today. W.
What's not? What Jordans you got? I don't know. I guess we'll never know.
I guess we'll never know.
I guess we'll never know. This very a banger. Lucy. Thanks so much. Love. No worries, brother. Since candle closed above the resistance, why did we not take the buy? Because it's a new forward candle. You probably want a decent bond wick being created on this new forward candle before we actually continue up. So maybe waiting for the first 15 would be ideal here, but I don't know, chat. I don't know if I'm going to be taking that position. Because like, here, think about it. What do you need for a position right now? You need a 15-minute closure, right? So I would prefer if the 15 closes above 1821. If this next 15 closes like this 15 right now, if it decides to close bullish above that range like this, then I'll consider maybe taking positions at 815 or sorry 915, 930ish for price to drive up. But I really want to see us closer above that resistance. You probably got to join flights. Damn, that's how they're treating you, Wixline. How you feel?
All right, the movers dipped. They're coming back 10:30. We good.
Nice bond wick being created here. Nice. So you have a bond wick being created here. New bond wick on a 4-hour time frame. If this is the bottom wick and we flip, then we have a high chance that price may just continue up to the top of the range. Swerving.
I think I'd rather see a bearish candle closure and then the next 15. Next 15 salary.
What, above the resistance? Because above here stuff, we have a small range. I have like a 9-pit range, you know? Yo, are you gonna contact Trisman about that slippage?
I already did.
What did he say?
He wrote him. They haven't answered yet, but I wrote him an email like 40 minutes ago. Let's see what happens. I'll forward you the results. I mean, you can do it too. I had this position open and running stops and profit, but the trade flew past my stop loss, closed in a 5-pip loss. Their way to rectify none of the stops I had in place. I look forward to your response and a fair resolution. Thank you. That's it.
That's professional.
I mean, they know who I am, but just I always try to sound professional.
Did you have the other guy before as your account manager?
Yeah, R.I.P.
Yeah, bro. I was having to. R.I.P. Let's do easy vertical kill another time for anyone I see you. If this is a bad joke, you're getting banned. What has 3 eyes but 1 leg? What has 3 eyes but 1 leg? I don't know, man. What has 3 eyes and 1 leg? What's the target after closing above 1821? Probably gonna be the next 4 resistance, which is gonna be up here at 1827, which will also be the daily target as well at 1828, 1827 ish. So yeah, that'll be my target. It's traffic light, 3 eyes and 1 leg.
Traffic.
All right, mods, get him. I'm playing. Guys, we got him. Don't I have that sound saved? Hold on, let me check.
Interesante.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
I guess we'll never know.
Yeah, I sound.
She's a runner, she's a track
Let's
star.
fucking go. Nah, I ain't got the sounds. Damn. I thought I had that sound. John.
I have 3 legs, but 2 eyes. Oh, man.
Damn, bro. It's tough out here.
PG stream chat.
Why are you saying John Cena? I don't get it. Yo, you might get them. I think talked about it earlier. 15-minute onion, 30-minute starter play, right? Is that what you said?
But the onion would be better entry.
On a 15? Anticipating that's the low? I mean, yeah. Let's see. That'll be at 8:30, man. I mean, 9:30. I'm tired.
5-minute onion.
Pardon?
We could get a 5-minute onion.
I need to stand up, but I can't. I need to get my extension for my USB cord. The camera's gonna fall.
How much you pay for your stand-up desk?
$500.
Yeah.
Wasn't bad, yo. It's worth it. You about to buy one?
Yeah, for the new place, I'm thinking of getting one.
Yeah, it's pretty worth it. $500 for a stand-up desk that hard to use. You can adjust the height though, so like if your chair's too low or too high, whatever, it's perfect. We take the flipped on.
Never be too high.
I want to take. Honestly, I want to take a closure about 1801, but I don't know what we're gonna get here.
It's not gonna be a flip. There's gonna be a lower time frame bullish candle closure.
Yeah, we be on this side. And then here's another one. I make 2 people out of one. What am I? You make 2 people out of 1? I don't know, man. What are you? Don, bro, that was my song. Why you skip? What song was it? What song was playing? Oh, Post Malone? I didn't want to listen to Post Malone right now. I like Post Malone, but I didn't want to listen to him.
Somebody pat Andre on the back.
A mirror.
Good job.
You made 2 people. Yo. Down bad for a trade today, eh? Donda. 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 That should be the new sound when we win a trade. Donda.
Donvo. Donvo. Donvo.
the Donvo chant. An actual cult. Mods, we got him. Yo, chat, if you guys aren't doing so yet, make sure you guys go and follow up the Instagram page. Controller_FX. Almost at 3.5. Now, should they go a Nook? Wow, because I look like Nook? What, a guy from Nook? Yo, I think I seen him in my neighborhood. I actually seen him in my neighborhood, I think. My friend saw him.
They're not from Canada, are they?
I think, yeah, they are. Some of them are.
No way. No,
Toronto.
Thought they were out in Cali.
No, some of them are in Canada, I think. The way she says Donda is the last heartbeat of his mom. That's why it slows down and speeds up. What do you mean?
Donda. 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 Donda.
What are you talking about? I'm confused. Kind of scared though. I don't want to play it. The way she says Donda's the last heartbeat of his mom.
Donda. Donda.
Say Donda 5 times in the mirror.
Donda. Donda.
She
Donda.
appears.
Donda. 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 Donda.
I don't get it.
Donda.
What am I
Like a
listening to?
heartbeat. Like a heartbeat.
Donda. 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 Donda.
Then what's this then?
Donda.
Her heartbeat slowing down.
Oh. Damn.
Donda.
Who's saying her name though? Who's saying her name in that song?
Mm-mm. Obviously,
Taylor Swift's
Taylor
voice.
Swift.
Jeez. Yo. All right, man. Look at this. Gold has created a bond wick, obviously. Guys, until you actually break the previous 4 hour lows, this trade is still valid. Or not this trade. This up is still valid. It's just that. Look how big stops will be if you flip here. It's going to be around 46 pip stop, which I'm not ready for. It's gonna be a late move. I want to say if you get something to like 9:30, 9:45, 10ish. So I'll be off to then. You did have news at 10 a.m. If I see something, I'll call it in the channel. But other than that, chat, then I call it a day. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for coming today. If you guys are new here, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks, mods, thanks, moderators. Peace and love. Have a great session. And what the fuck? Yo, peace out, Wixland. Jeez.
Nick, you're stupid.
So congrats on a win today, chat. Congrats.
Love you, Taka.
How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. Bitches, they be flocking to the left side. And all the birds, they be flocking to the bread right. If it don't work first, do it 10 times. Before you see that green light, you see that red light. I can text them, yeah, I won't text send. And I don't love a thought, yeah, that's what text said. All these dollar bills, turn them to my best friend. If I send them shooters, let them know who sent them, yeah. Whoa, yeah. On the real, really had to be real with ya. Whoa, yeah. On the real, she don't even need no filter. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you.
In my penthouse, I've been vibing on the west side. Always baked, it took a while to get my bread right. You might think she average, but shorty my type. Her body started looking better cause the hair right. No, I'm from the 6, but I'm from the west end. And I can hit your girl and she gon' bring her best friend. Tryna stay low key, my boys be bringing packs in. I don't got a front, they know I get the back end. On the real, I just had to be real with you. I just bought the bean and I'ma speak with no filter. You ain't trust my vision, now you cropped out the picture. Pay for all your cases like I did that shit with you. I don't got no filter, I'm never coming to get you. If you just kept it real, I would be counting up with you. I'm a one-man army and I see hate on my radar. Ready for the smoke, I keep an AK for AR. Smoking weed all day, I'm kicked up watching the playoffs. Cause I'm still making money when I'm taking the day off.
How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you. How you get cropped out the picture? Doing shit you ain't never seen, my nigga. And she be up for being no filter. Tell me what I gotta do to get out that mixture. Everything seems so smooth, so cool. No, I'ma stay real, but I don't know about you. Yeah, I don't know about you. If I go in my head, just know it's not about you.